Have you ever heard of a dog who was an official prisoner of war? Meet Judy, a purebred English pointer and a true hero of World War II. Her story is one of the most incredible tales of courage and survival you'll ever come across. Our story begins in China, where Judy served as the beloved mascot aboard the British gunboat HMS Gnat. Her hearing was so sharp that she could detect incoming enemy aircraft long before any human could, giving the crew a crucial head start to prepare for an attack. She was more than a pet. She was a lifesaver. In 1942, as Singapore was falling, Judy found herself on a different ship, the HMS Grasshopper. Tragedy struck when the vessel was bombed and sank. As the ship went down, Judy was pushed through a porthole into the chaotic waters. Miraculously, she swam to a deserted island along with the other survivors. But their ordeal was far from over. Stranded without supplies, the men began to succumb to dehydration. Just when all hope seemed lost, Judy started sniffing at the sand on the beach. She dug frantically and, against all odds, unearthed a freshwater spring. This single act of canine instinct saved everyone's life. Their relief was short-lived. They were soon captured and taken to a brutal Japanese prisoner of war camp. Life in the camp was a nightmare, but it was there that Judy found her lifelong companion, an RAF airman named Frank Williams. Frank saw the brave spirit in Judy and couldn't bear to see her starve. He shared his own meager ration of rice with her every single day, forging an unbreakable bond in the face of unimaginable hardship. To protect Judy from the camp's cruel guards, who saw her as just another stray, Frank had a moment of pure, desperate genius. He approached the camp commandant, who was often drunk, and somehow persuaded him to officially register Judy as Prisoner of War 81A. This official status was her shield. As a registered POW, she was afforded a sliver of protection that saved her from being harmed by the guards. But their story of survival doesn't end there. Towards the end of the war, Judy and Frank were herded onto an unmarked transport ship, which was then torpedoed. For the second time in her life, Judy survived a shipwreck, swimming through the debris-filled ocean with Frank until they were rescued. When the war finally ended, they were liberated. Frank and Judy returned to England, where her incredible bravery was officially recognized. Judy was awarded the Dickin Medal, often called the Animal's Victoria Cross, for her magnificent courage and endurance in the face of adversity. From ship's mascot to lifesaver, and from prisoner of war to decorated hero, Judy's story is a powerful reminder of the deep connection between humans and animals, and the extraordinary will to survive. Thanks for watching. If you were moved by Judy's incredible story, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tales from history.